Rivet wanted to tell you thanks for her birthday, Giraffe, by showing you how much she likes it. So, let's see. Oh, she likes it. What you got there? You get that giraffe. You get that giraffe. You get that giraffe. Oh man, you get that giraffe. Wow. Where are you going? I can't have it. Come back. Come back. I can't have it. No? Oh, you slobbered on that good, haven't you? Yes, you have. Okay. Hey. Ready? Ready? Come here. Come here. Okay, go get it. Having so much fun. So much fun, Rivet. Oh, tough. Oh, tough girl. Yes, you are. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Ow. Ow. Okay, you can have it. You can have it. You're just having so much fun. Yes, you are. You like that giraffe, don't you? You're gonna have to thank Diane and Roy next time you see them. And Lily. Tell them how much you like it.